Danlaw Technologies. Well, this is one more small cap futuristic stock which can give you very good returns in future. Why do I think so? Well, first of all, this is a technology company and I'm going to give you just a hint on the key highlights of this company, what it does, what products, services and all these things. I'll give you the highlight of the official website and then I'll show you the fundamentals of this stock and then finally the price action, and together we'll understand why this stock could be considered for investment or at least a trade. And I will also highlight some of the features or some of the main attributes of this company which I like the most and which is making this stock very attractive for investment. Everything I'm going to discuss, but please make sure to understand that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stocks based on your own risk appetite, right? So with that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Danlaw Technologies and this is the official website. Well, I will give you a hint that it is into the technology of making EV cars work. Okay, and I mean you can read here, it is working on data logger. It is one of the products. Other products you can see telematic products, data logger, body control products, testing products and many other things. So you need some time to understand these things and I'm not going to go in very details about the products exactly and all these things because it will be a very long video. I will just show you the aspect which is necessary to understand if this is a good investment or not. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let me go to the screener page and show you some of the key highlights. Okay, so first of all, the market cap is 1000 crore, so it's a small cap company. Current price 2170 crore, and one of the key points which I mentioned, that I will tell you the most interesting attributes of this company, and that is the number of equity shares, 0.49 crores. That means less than 50 lakhs, only 50 lakhs share there. So that means the supply is very low. So what will it lead to? It will definitely lead to high demand if the stock continues to perform well. Okay, so now if I open the key points about this company, you can read here, it is incorporated in the year 1992. It is into the business of providing engineering, software development, consulting service and industrial electronics. Okay, and you can see, read the profile here, telematic products, data logger, the same things that we saw in the official website. Okay, body control product, testing products and all these things. And you can see the revenue breakup. It is 93% revenue is coming from sale of products and 7% from services. Okay, so which is looking good. Now obviously you need to learn more about this company if you want to consider this for investment, and that will be the details about the product it is manufacturing and all these things. Now let us go to the peer comparison and see some of the key points about this company which is making it interesting. So current price, as I mentioned, 2170 crore, market cap 1000 crore, reserves it has is 53 crores and debt of 30 crores. That's why the debt to equity ratio is good at 0.50. 3 years average sales growth 96.5%, average profit growth 117% and earning per share growth 102%. These numbers are fantastic. Okay, and interest coverage ratio 13.48, this is also good. Current ratio 2.32, this is also very good. Operating profit margin is good at 16.77, and industry PE is at 65.98 and current PE of the stock is 47.96. So you can consider it undervalued, but still I would say it will not be a very accurate assessment if we compare the industry PE and the current PE, because although the industry is electronics, but still the company could be manufacturing products which are specific to a certain field, and there the profit margin might be less, might be more, and it it is variable. So that's why we should not give too much emphasis on industry PE when it is coming to companies like this, electronics or technological company, because definitely it cannot be exactly the same. Let's say steel industry, so we can say that yes, they most of them provide same products. Okay, only that client list might be different, but most of them provide make same products. In that case we can consider industry PE, but here it will be kind of giving us wrong information, kind of. Okay, not necessarily, but there is a chance, so you need to be careful about that. Okay, now let us see the 3 years average profit and loss growth. Okay, so you can see since 2023 the sales have grown nicely, although in the trailing 12 months it is almost the same, and operating profit has also shown growth. and same with operating profit margin. So if I consider from 2022 also, then also we are seeing some good improvement in numbers. Okay, sales, profit and operating profit. So clearly telling that the company is actually starting to do well. Now if I go to the cash from operating activity, okay, and consider last 3 years, you can see there is cash from operating activity has definitely increased from -8 to 7, then 24. Multifold increase is definitely there for this company, which is again another good thing. Now the shareholding pattern. So here the shareholding pattern is also looking very interesting. So why is that? You see, the promoters were holding 49.93% in June 2023 and now they are holding 61.87%. So why the promoters increase their stakes suddenly? Obviously they won't do it without any reason. They increased by 12% for definitely for some reason, because they believe in the future of this company. And also we can see that the FI is holding in the last quarter has slightly increased, although it is less, but still there is some increase. And one more thing is that the government is holding a good amount of stake in this company, 0.88%, considering that it is a stock with just 1000 crore market cap. There the government is holding 0.88% stake. So definitely there is some future. That's why all the smart money, the government promoters are definitely increasing their stake. So definitely you should consider this stock for investment fundamentals wise. Now let's go to the price action and see why will it be a good time to make an entry or not. So I know this chart is looking little bit of clumsy right now. So what I'm going to do is I will hide the drawings first of all. Okay, so I'm going to first highlight few key things. Okay, so we can see here there is a point of resistance and that turned into support. Okay, you see the stock got support here, and where does that point align? So if I enable the 40 weeks EMA, you can see it is the 200 days EMA or the 40 weeks. From that point only the stock started getting support, and now it is getting strong support and starting to go up. Okay, now let me enable the drawings that I had hidden. Okay, and before that let me just show you one more thing. Okay, and that is, let me delete this line so that you can avoid the confusion. Okay, we'll just keep this green area. So the green area highlights the support resistance area. This was the resistance here and it turned into support here. Okay, now if I use the fib retracement, what do I get? Okay, so you see I will use this as the high, this as the low, and we can see the stock is actually getting good support at the 50% retracement level here. Now if I again immediately switch to the daily time frame, I'm getting to see the same thing, and if I enable the 50 EMA, we are getting to see that the stock is getting good support of 50 EMA and then starting to go up continuously. So clearly the stock is building a good base, or we can say it has already built a good base. Okay, now if I just delete this and just draw a trend line, I am getting a very good trend line. So let me tell you why it's a good trend line. You see, if I zoom in, I have used these points as the touch points. Okay, 1, and this is obviously 2, and there are multiple touch points here. So definitely this is a valid trend line, and you can see this trend line was broken here, and now the trend line is also acting as a support. Okay, so this is the good thing about this company. And then we are getting to see, let me remind that this is a weekly chart. Okay, then we are getting to see after back to back red candles and small candles, doji kind of candles, we got to see suddenly a big green candle, and this week today it is also starting to show strength. So this is the overall price action analysis, okay, from the candlestick point of view. Then what does the momentum indicators tell us? So if I enable the momentum indicators, okay, so we get to see that the MACD has already given a crossover here. Okay, near this area it has already given a crossover, indicating that the uptrend momentum is building up strongly. RSI, so RSI is also telling us the same thing. The stock is staying above the middle line, okay, and also staying above the moving average, RSI moving average. Let me just expand it a little bit so that you can get a good look at this. And then it is starting to go up from this point. So we could expect a strong uptrend from this point. Okay, if things go well, then definitely the uptrend should be coming soon, and seems like it has already started. So the golden question, is this a good time to make an entry? So I would say yes, it is a very good time to make an entry. Okay, but reminding you that this is not a stock recommendation video. Okay, so you can make your entry, but please make sure to use stop loss. So you can use this level as the stop loss. Let me just tell you the number, around 1720, 1710, that kind of level you can use as stop loss. Now you must be asking that why this area was not a good place to make an entry. It was at 1350 level. Okay, and if I measure from there, the stock has already gone up by 65%. Okay, so this is dangerous. Never ever invest in a stock which is which is showing immediate weakness, because the stock started dropping around 20-25% per day. Okay, and if I enable the 40 weeks moving average, you can see it is clearly trading below the 40 weeks moving average. So it's a dangerous place. Now it has gone up, it has started showing signs, so you are confident that yes, it should go up, but at that point it was not clearly visible. So definitely make sure to follow the rules every time. Even if you are paying or buying a stock at a high price, make sure you buy only after confirmation. Do not rush in, or else you will be blocked. Your money will be blocked in a stock for a long time. Okay, so let me just give you the stop loss, entry point, and some targets. Okay, so that will be easy. So as I mentioned, you can use the stop loss just below this level. I mean 1710 will be a good level. Now if the stop loss is there, where is the profit target? So the first profit taking target will be the middle portion of this one. You can say 2900, this is one level, and 3300 will be another level. Okay, 2900 and 3300. These are two good levels for swing traders. Okay, and if you take profits there, you will get a return of around 30% here. Okay, and 50% here. So very good profit taking targets as per me, right? So that was all about Danlaw Technologies. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. And don't forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You will find the link in the description section below. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.